This is question 7 on problem solving from the 2016 IMAT. So we're told that the way a bakery shop lays out its ingredients is it gives the quantities of the other ingredients, that's water, salt and fat, as percentages of the weight of flour to be used. So what is the total mass of the mixture if we use 250 kilograms of flour when we're making white bread? So let's try and work out the actual mass of water, salt and fat that we need if we're using this much flour. So for water, if we need 54% of 250 kilograms, how do we work that out? So with percentages, I like to work out easy chunks that we know, then add them together. So what's 50%? That's just half, which is 125 kilograms. Then what about the remaining 4? So we know that's 4 times 1%, and we know 1% of 250 is 2.5. So 4 times 2.5 is 10 kilograms. So that means 54 is the sum of these two, which is 135 kilograms. Then what about salt? So if we need 2% of 250, we can work this out straight away because we know what 4% is. So that's just half of 10 kilograms, which is 5 kilograms. And for fat, we want 17%. How should we split this up? So we can start with 10%, and we know that is just 25. Then we have 5%, that's just half of 10%, which is 12.5. Then we have 2 remaining to get to 17, and we already know 2% is 5. So the sum of these three, well, that would make 37.5, plus another 5 is 42.5. So we have the mass of each of our ingredients. Let's now add them up. So let's not forget the 250 of flour to start with. Then we have 135 of water, 5 of salt, then 42.5 of fat. So what's the sum of these? Well, 250 plus 135 is 385. 385 plus 5 is 390. 390 plus 42.5 is 432.5 kilograms. So we're making a lot of bread from this, but this is our final answer, which corresponds to B on the question paper.